Hey knowledge lovers, if you're ready to build a single second brain that can organize your entire life, from work projects to personal goals, then you've probably heard of Notion. That's why today we're diving into the best Notion courses available. As always, the links to access all the courses we mentioned today will be in the video description. Let's dive in. 1. Learn Notion for client and project management. First up, for those of you who are freelancers, agency owners, or service providers, this is your holy grail. It's not just a course, it's a full specialization called Learn Notion for Client and Project Management. This 3-course series is designed to help you build an end-to-end system to manage your entire business. You won't just learn how to make a to-do list. You'll learn how to build a dynamic client-facing portal, a master project tracker, and streamlined dashboards that stop the chaos. This specialization is perfect for beginners and takes about 4 weeks to complete, working around 10 hours a week. It's taught by Notion experts and partners with Skillshare, so you get that creative, hands-on feel. By the end, you'll have a fully customized professional workspace that not only boosts your own productivity, but also seriously impresses your clients. This is how you stop managing your business and start scaling it. 2. Notion for beginners, create a project plan. If a full specialization sounds like too much and you need a quick, focused win, this next one is for you. This is a guided project on Coursera called Notion for Beginners, Create a Project Plan. In just about 90 minutes, you will build a complete, functional project plan from scratch. This isn't just a simple video. You'll work in a split-screen environment directly in your own Notion workspace while following instructor prompts. This project is perfect for aspiring project managers or anyone who just landed a new, complex assignment at work. You'll learn how to structure your plan, assign tasks, set milestones, and track progress for a fictitious company. It's the definition of learning by doing, and gives you a tangible, shareable project for your portfolio by the time you're done. I pause here to mention that if you want to take all these courses, you don't need to pay for them one by one. Just by purchasing the Coursera Plus subscription, you'll have access to all these courses and more than 7,000. We will leave you the link in the video description at the best price. Let's continue. 3. Notion for Beginners, Intro to AI Marketing Template Master. Ready to blend the power of Notion with the magic of AI? This next guided project is incredibly relevant. It's called Intro to AI Marketing Template Mastery. In just 1 hour, you will learn how to build a smart marketing command center. This course is for marketers, business owners, or content creators who want to streamline their entire content pipeline. You'll learn to set up a Notion workspace specifically for marketing, and then, here's the best part, you'll integrate it with AI tools like ChatGPT to plan comprehensive campaigns. You'll even learn to use Notion's own AI features to automate and manage your work. If you're looking to save hours of brainstorming and planning time, this 1-hour project is an absolute no-brainer. 4. Notion integrations for beginners, manage a blog business. Our final pick is for the content managers and bloggers who live in a world of scattered apps. This 1.5-hour guided project, Notion Integrations for Beginners, shows you how to make Notion the true central hub of your operation. The real power of Notion isn't just what it can do on its own, it's how it connects to everything else. In this project, you'll build a complete blog content management platform by integrating Notion with the tools you already use. Think automatically capturing ideas from Google Drive, collecting feedback with Tally, visualizing data with charts, and even automating your social media publishing using Zapier and Buffer. This is how you build a seamless workflow that takes an idea from a rough note to a fully published and promoted blog post, all managed from one place. Remember, all these certifications can be accessed without paying for each one individually. With the Coursera Plus subscription, you'll get unlimited access to over 7,000 courses, including all the ones we discussed today, for a single monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price is in the video description, so don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Until next time, knowledge lovers.